Starlight, the brave little pony. Once upon a time in the enchanting land of Meadowhaven, there lived a little pony named Starlight. Starlight wasn't like the other ponies in the meadow. She had a shimmering silver coat that sparkled like 1,000 stars. Her eyes were a deep shade of blue, and a single magical swirl adorned her flank. Starlight was smaller than the rest of the ponies, but what she lacked in size, she made up for with her adventurous spirit. She dreamt of exploring the farthest corners of Meadowhaven and discovering the secrets hidden within its lush landscapes. One sunny morning, as the golden rays painted the meadow with warmth, Starlight gathered her courage and decided it was time to embark on her grand adventure. She left a note for her parents, telling them about her quest to uncover the mysteries of Meadowhaven, and set off with a heart full of excitement. Her journey began with the whispering woods, where the trees seemed to share ancient tales as their leaves rustled in the breeze. Starlight trotted along the narrow paths, her hooves creating a gentle melody against the soft ground. As she delved deeper into the woods, the sunlight filtered through the leaves, creating a magical dance of light and shadows. Suddenly, a mischievous giggle echoed through the air. Starlight stopped in her tracks, her ears perked up. "Who's there?" she called out, her voice filled with curiosity. From behind a bush, a tiny creature emerged. It was a pixie named Twinkle, with shimmering wings that glowed like the moon. "Hello, brave pony, I've been watching you," Twinkle exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with mischief. Starlight's heart raced with excitement. "Are you a magical creature of the woods?" she asked, her eyes wide with wonder. Twinkle nodded. "Indeed I am, and I sense that you're on a quest. Would you like some company?" Starlight's eyes lit up, and the two newfound friends continued their journey together. They encountered sparkling streams, crossed quaint bridges made of woven vines, and danced beneath the canopies of ancient trees. As the day turned to dusk, they arrived at the Rainbow Glade, a place rumored to hold the key to unlocking Meadowhaven's greatest secret. The glade was bathed in the soft hues of twilight, and a mesmerizing rainbow arched across the sky. At the center of the glade stood a mysterious door, adorned with symbols of stars and moons. Starlight felt a magical energy emanating from it. Determined to uncover the secrets that lay beyond, she pushed the door open with her tiny hooves. To her surprise, the door led to a hidden realm filled with floating islands, each adorned with unique wonders. Starlight and Twinkle gasped in awe as they explored the floating landscapes, discovering hidden treasures and meeting magical creatures who had never been seen in Meadowhaven before. However, the journey was not without challenges. Starlight faced tests of courage, wisdom, and kindness as she sought to unlock the ultimate secret of the hidden realm. Along the way, she learned valuable lessons and grew even braver. As the days turned into weeks, Starlight and Twinkle became heroes in their own right, celebrated by the creatures of the hidden realm for their bravery and kindness. Yet, despite the allure of the magical land, Starlight began to feel a longing for her home in Meadowhaven. With the guidance of newfound friends, Starlight and Twinkle discovered a portal that would take them back to the meadow. As they bid farewell to the magical realm, Starlight knew that her heart would forever carry the lessons she learned and the friendships she made. Returning to Meadowhaven, Starlight was welcomed as a hero. The ponies in the meadow gathered around as she shared her incredible journey, and her parents couldn't have been prouder of their brave little pony. From that day forward, Starlight continued to explore the meadow, sharing the tales of her adventures with the other ponies. The meadow, once filled with familiar wonders, now held a special place in her heart, enriched by the magical memories she had gained in the hidden realm. And so, under the vast sky of Meadowhaven, Starlight continued to dream, her heart forever ignited with the spirit of adventure